MariBank review. Is it worth it? So what is MariBank? MariBank is a digital app backed by C Group, the same company behind Shopee and C Money. It's promising high interest rates and zero fees. But is it actually worth your money? MariBank is an MAS licensed digital bank in Singapore that focuses on saving accounts with competitive interest rates and a simple mobile experience. There are no branches, everything is done through the app. As of now, it's invite only but expanding quickly. Here's what you get with MariBank. High interest savings, up to 2.88% per annum with no minimum spend. No monthly fees, no minimum balance. Instant transfers via PayNow. It has a simple, intuitive app interface. It's designed for those who want a no-fuss way to grow their savings. The pros: great interest rate with no hoops to jump through. Fully digital onboarding, quick and painless. Backed by a trusted company with a strong fintech background. The cons? It's still in early rollout, so limited availability. It lacks features like multi-currency support or investment tools for now. So is MariBank worth it? If you're looking for a simple high-yield savings option with zero fees, it's a solid choice, especially if you're already in the Shopee ecosystem. Just keep in mind it's still growing, so features are limited for now. And that is an honest review of MariBank.